Hey everyone, welcome to Hitch Hitched. Today's video is going to be on my progress on YouTube channel when I started to make a decision that I'm going to upload my video on weekly basis. I started uploading my weekly videos on December 2019, every week on Sundays. Right now it's January. I'm going to talk about the progress that I've made so far for you guys to understand how it's like to be a YouTube beginner, and if you're wondering whether you want to upload it irregularly or constantly, like every week or twice every week. I'm just going to tell you how much progress that I've made when I made the decision and what other things that actually impacted on my viewership and also the number of subscribers that have subscribed into my videos. So stay tuned. I have started my channel on February 14, 2017, but I didn't upload a video until 2019 January. My first video which I uploaded was on January 21st, 2019 with the intention that I'm going to download it every month because I just couldn't commit it every week due to my time constraint. But I only uploaded 2 videos, which is January and February 2019. After that, I do want to upload my videos weekly, but it's just that either I ran out of ideas or I don't know what to upload anymore, and my time got in the way. I have family to attend to and so many other things. So I didn't upload for a very long time until the month of October 2019. I uploaded my 3rd video. November, again, I did not upload any more video, but on December, I just decided that I'm going to upload my videos weekly, and I wanted to see my progress, whether there is any difference between uploading irregularly or regularly. Okay, as I mentioned earlier, I started my video on January 2019. So between January 2019 to October 2019, I have about 29 subscribers only. And on November, I have 4 subscribers. So in total, I have about 33 subscribers from the January till November 2019. Okay, so that's not much because it's like 11 months and I only have 33 subscribers. So on December, I started uploading weekly every Saturday or Sunday, and according to my statistic, I have grown my channel by 38 subscribers. Still not much, but within a month, 38 subscribers, that's insane. I took 11 months to get 33 subscribers, but within a month, which I decided to upload my videos regularly, I'm having 38 subscribers. So imagine if I post twice a week. Probably that would be a lot more subscribers who would want to watch the videos. I know I still haven't reached 100 yet, but it will eventually in time. There's no such thing that your YouTube videos are going to be on a viral mode immediately after you upload your first video, unless you are a famous actor or a musician or singer or something. That, yes, probably you will be ending up having a lot more people watching your videos. But for us normal people, I guess it will take time. I've seen so many of the famous YouTubers right now. They have started their YouTube channel in like 2008, 2009, 2014, and they have grown their YouTube channel ever since. At first, of course, their videos are not perfect, but when the time went by, oh my god, their video quality is so good and the way they've taken the video is just simply awesome. So the moral that I've gained from doing this is that I have to be constant. Every week I upload. I'm not doing any sort of niche. I think that my viewers will benefit from me. I love productivity, I love on planner stuff. I also happen to be good with some tech stuff, but not as good the experts one. But there are other interests that will be useful to all the viewers out there. I have also noticed that my content plays a role as well. The higher number of viewers are from my planner type of videos, which I talk about Hobonichi weeks. I believe that the reason why I have higher viewers for that is because the brand that I put there, Hobonichi weeks, and it happens to be the end of the year. So the number of viewers who watch this type of videos is a lot more compared to my other videos. So I do agree that keywords definitely play a role into who watch your videos and how many people subscribe to your videos, because On the month of January 2020, the number of my subscribers have reduced a bit. It is not as much as 38 subscribers. It's like still within about 12 to 15 number of subscribers. I had a goal that I would be reaching 100 on the month of January, but I'm still not there yet. So I believe that it's because a lot of my viewers decided to subscribe to my videos thinking that I will have more planner type of videos uploaded. But when I actually changed my course to a different direction, all of a sudden the number of subscribers have reduced. You do need to take a look on those kind of things. But for me, I want to do different type of contents just to see which one picks up, or probably I will end up being a YouTuber who does everything on all kinds of interests. It is not even 2 months yet ever since I've decided to upload my videos regularly. Right now I have been uploading every week without fail. So you might be wondering what changed in between. Why all of a sudden, from a person who were unable to upload videos monthly, all of a sudden I am able to upload my videos weekly? You might be thinking that I don't have much of work to do, that's why suddenly I managed to find some free time, that's why I'm able to upload my videos regularly. Actually, no. My job is still the same and I have same amount of tasks to do, but it's just that I have learned how to plan and schedule myself to upload my videos weekly. In the beginning, I didn't have any plan at all. I just uploaded without even thinking about what videos shall I do next. So that's why it just stopped, because I didn't have any ideas. So once I started planning it, I'm able to upload my videos weekly. But if you would like to see videos on specific steps that I take to plan my schedule, do post your comment at the comment box below, so I will try to make a video on that. So if you are someone who still haven't uploaded your first video when you have been thinking about being a YouTuber for a very long time, like 10 years or something, stop this video and go ahead and do your first video. Upload it. It doesn't matter whether your video looks bad or good. It's okay, because when you upload your videos regularly, you will know the process, you will know what are the things that you need to do, and you'll know what you want from your videos. And not only that, based on your comment and the number of subscribers, you will understand more about what sort of content that your subscribers like, your viewers like. As for me, my work process has become so fluid that I actually know what are the things that I need to do next and next and next. Because why? Because I have been uploading my videos regularly. I did not forget my steps at all. Compared to on the month of January, when I wanted to upload my video monthly, it's just that it's very difficult for me to pick up the process when I upload the following month. So probably that's the reason why I just didn't continue for the rest of the month until the month of October, when I decided to take action again. So if you are watching this video still, thank you very much. But do me a favor, go back and create a video, upload it on YouTube, and share it at the comment box below. I will be your first viewer, I will be your first subscriber, and I will encourage you to upload more. So let's encourage each other. Do it now. Get down off your seat right now, list down 10 topics that you want to do a video on, and straight get onto it. Upload it constantly for the next 2 months. My next topic is going to be on my YouTube setup and equipment, a very basic kind of setup. So I will be covering that on my next video. If you are interested, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you will be notified once I upload my video next week. I'm also active on Hitch Hitched, so if you want to ask me something or you want to suggest me some videos, you can post your comment at the comment box below, or you can also DM me on Hitch Hitched Instagram channel. So thank you for watching and hope to see you on my next video. Bye!